They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything. When you put it out there and it's pure, can't ask for anything more, anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly. They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything. Can't really be enticed, although it's very nice. In my space I feel most comfortable. Choose what you like, choose your people, choose your time, choose to be vibrant, choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend. Yeah, they will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything, everything. They will come, they will come, like the sun, like the sun. They will be, they will be everything, everything.
silent guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost, lost to the cages, cages of chaos I forgot. Somewhere it must be written, I just lost my access to the map. Somewhere love had bitten, I chased the apple and realized can't let it go. Baby, it's a losing game, and I know that I'm to blame. I crossed the ocean and lost myself below. I owe this to myself, to stay in the deep end, finally face to face with truth. How about you? Can you handle the riptide? Won't help from the shore.